My name is Siti Syarah Nabilah binti Razali and my metric number is 203906.
Hi, my name is Nur Amira binti Muhammad Hijahari. My metric number is 202483.
Hi, my name is E.G. John. My metric number is 202931.
My name is Mok Ling Ying and my matrix number is 202546.
My name is Ho Jia Chi and my metric number is 202270.
My name is Gawanti and my metric number is 202929.
Hello, my name is Nur Afika binti Samsul Asman and my metric number is 202484.
Hi, my name is Mudiana Meti Murad and my matrix number is 203900.
Hi, my name is Nur Sapina binti Osman and my metric number is 206127.
Firstly, I will start with the introduction of the leader. The leader that we interview is team leader of Mary Kay organization, which is Putri Anis Fazira binti Sutriso. She is 23 years old. Putri has been in Mary Kay organization for 1 year and a half. Putri have 18 team members and 3 senior consultants under her. The reason why Putri wants to join Mary Kay organization because she wants to improve herself personally. There are so many achievements that Putri achieved since she joined Mary Kay organization, which is top leader in Infinity IFAH unit, star consultant, Queen of Cell 2020 Infinity IFAH unit, and others achievements. The vision of Mary Kay organization is to enrich women's life with an unparalleled business opportunity, while the mission of Mary Kay organization is to sell the product that consumers can use or sell to people that can afford with the quality of the product. That's all from me.
Next, I will present on the objective and 4 core value. Now I will start with objective. The objective of the Mary Kay organization is they want to deliver on every product promise that they make because they proudly stand behind the quality of their product, and with the real benefit they provide, there are millions of women who can say, I love my Mary Kay. Next is 4 core value. According to Putri, Mary Kay create a company based on their own value or personal life value. In the Mary Kay organization, there are 4 core values. The first value is a golden rule, which states that individuals should treat others the way they wish to be treated. Mary Kay put a greater importance on this value in their film. They treat individuals and constantly encourage their beauty consultant to treat people the way they want to be treated. The second value is go-give spirit. They offer something without expecting anything. Putri state that many Mary Kay leaders constantly give business counseling for free when they do not receive any payment. This value is linked to the third value, which is make me feel important. Putri also state that Mary Kay instill confidence and importance in everyone on the squad. And in the WhatsApp group, for example, all of the team leader will never neglect their team members. And the fourth final value is balance priorities. Mary Kay teach individuals how to manage their life by putting God first, family second, and a job third. Putri believe that the four key values that Mary Kay set in their beauty consultant and company educate them how to manage their own life.
Now, I will present about the leadership information based on the interview section. There are 5 main questions that will be asked to leader, which is Putri. The first question is about the meaning of the leadership to Putri. She thinks the leadership is about people-oriented because as a leader, she can't just only think about the organization, plans, and money, but need to be more concerned about the team members. The question number 2 is about the strengths and weakness that she believes she has as a leader. People-oriented is her strength as a leader and also become her weakness when she is over people-oriented. This is because sometimes she will forget about her own self. Next is the question about what's the greatest influence as she as a leader. As a leader, the greatest influence for Putri is having an ability to motivate her team members, because she has to become the person who determines the people motivation to achieve their goals. The question number 4 is regarding how the leader to make others people feel strong and confident. Putri will always support the team member by sending some motivational videos and positive quote every single day, and always tell them, I am always be there. Praise them when they did well to show they are important and appreciated. The last question is about 3 or 4 actions that Putri believes are essential to enable others to success. She believes the free education in Mary Kay can push them to success. Also, the members of Mary Kay will always treat each other like a family or friends instead of just treat them like a business partner. Next, I will pass to Mo Ling Ying to present about the related theory.
So I will talk about the leadership theories about how to become a perfect leader. There are different theories to explain how and why people practice become to be a perfect leader. For Putri, her practices have related to 2 major theories. The first one is self-determination theory. Self-determination theories is about 3 innateness that influence our behavior, such as competence, autonomy, and relatedness. She provides time and coaching to improve the team members. Besides, Putri also provides free education to team members to help them feel that they have skills to succeed and achieve the goals. She also provides the vision and tasks to the team members. So that's all from me. I will pass to Kiki to talk about the another major theory, which is LMS theory.
The second theory that Putri adapted is Leader-Member Exchange LMX model of leadership. In this case, Putri is forming an in-group exchange. Members of in-group are given more freedom to complete their tasks, as well as more responsibility, attentions, and rewards. LMX relationships are influenced by follower characteristics, leader characteristics, and interpersonal relationship variables. Putri was a people-oriented leader. She supports a team member physically and mentally because she knows that a good leader should enrich their members' life and get them up to the level of success. She also managed good communication with her team. Therefore, to know her team members well, she will call her team members to ask about their status and treat them as family. Through this, her team members become more committed and improve level of openness, motivations, and feedback.
We also found some minor theory that are related to Putri practices in her job. The first one is house path goal theory. This theory is about the team member view the leader as a source of satisfaction that will influence the effectiveness of leaders' behavior. For example, she will provide business coaching and guidance to achieve the goals. Besides, she treats all her members equally and sending motivation quotes and videos to motivate her team members. That's all from me. Then I will pass to Afika to talk about the next minor theory. Thank you.
Next theory that Putri applied to the practice as she was the leader of the team is expectancy theory. Expectancy theory is developed by Victor Vroom, and this theory is about people being motivated to behave in different ways to produce expected outcomes. From the interview session, I can see that in order to achieve something, Putri will set the goals and vision for her team members. In this theory, Vroom proposed that a person decides to behave in a certain way based on the expected result of the chosen behavior. For example, based on experience that Putri shared in Mary Kay team, when their team members achieve their goals at a different level, they will receive different rewards such as cars and incentives. So from this reward, her team will think the extra effort will be rewarded, so they will be willing to work harder to get the reward. Besides that, the different rewards in different achievements will motivate them in their job. Lastly, if the team members achieve the goal, she will give them praise to make them feel appreciated in her team. She also motivates them to make sure they can achieve the targeted performance levels. So we can conclude the expectancy theory that is applied by Putri in their team is to produce the expected outcome when they are motivated by Putri. That's all from me.
Lastly, Putri also adapted a model of transformational leadership. Transformational leaders inspire their followers to put the needs of the organization ahead of their own. They accomplish this through appealing to their followers' self-concept, their values, motivations, and sense of self. Putri inspired and motivated her team members to pursue company vision and mission, which are to enrich women's life, and mission is to sell the product that people can afford with good quality. Moreover, Putri sent motivational videos and quotes to boost team members' confidence every day. Furthermore, individual consideration consists of behavior that provides support, encouragement, empowerment, and coaching to employees. Putri solved the problems of her team member by giving some tips and brainstorming a lot.
The advantage of self-determination theory is that the member could feel autonomy. A high self-determination member will admit her fault and take some action to boost herself, such as more recommend her product on her social media if she failed to achieve her goal in certain month. However, the disadvantage is if a low self-determination member fails to achieve her goal, she might make some excuse such as there is no one willing to buy the product from her, there is no one support her, but she will not see from the side why people are not willing to buy the product from her. The suggestion for the leader in America is just give positive feedback, but not to over-motivate until it becomes a burden for the member. Besides, try not to spam the chamber with lots of motivational quotes because some of the team members will feel annoyed and it will become stress for them. For the second minor theory, expectancy theory, the advantage of this theory focuses on reward and goal achievement. Thus, the disadvantage of this theory might occur between the choices of reward because it's hard to produce a one-size-fits-all plan. Other inputs such as effort and performance should also be considered, besides just looking at the target self of the products. As a recommendation, the company can design a survey form to collect the interest reward for the team members and the survey form for the customer to collect their satisfaction towards the team members. Then, give the reward based on the data collected.
I will critically analyze about the leader-member exchange LMX model that focus on the interaction between the leader and the member. Because of the high quality connection between them, the advantages of this model is resulting in higher performance, job satisfaction, and mutual trust. For example, Putri treat the employee in a deeper level and treat them as a friend, makes them feel valuable, and increase their trust. However, the disadvantages of this model seem to be unjust and discrimination. It was because if the leader and the employee have low LMX relationship, the leader will treat employee differently and makes them have low motivation. To improve this model, Putri can be cautious about the emotion she displays and have excellent communication skill to strengthen the bond amongst her coworkers. Next is House Pass Goal Theory by Robert House. The advantages of this theory, it consists of 8 different types of leadership behavior to guide employers to resolve any problem or challenging. This leadership behavior can fit any situation, make the guidance is adaptable and simple to follow. Putri used 3 types of leadership behavior, which is achievement-oriented behavior, supportive behavior, and job facilitation behavior. However, this theory has flaws when it treats leadership as one-way process in which the leader impacts the subordinate but not the follower. It also has excessive reliance on the leader when employee cannot make any decision making without the leader. To improve this theory, Putri can train all of the group members the leader roles to subordinators. She also can appoint a few persons to stand in for her as a chief if she is unavailable.
The benefits by applying transformational leadership in terms of inspirational motivation is increasing individual, group, and organizational performance. This is because of her actions that always sending the motivational videos and quotes to encourage them in continuing their journey. However, this initiative is not applicable all the time. It might be not effective since the members will rely on their own perception instead. Also, Putri's achievement helps in giving the inspiration and motivation in doing their job. It also indirectly becomes a role model to the other members. At the same time, it can create positive work attitudes by increasing enthusiasm and confidence to be more successful. These benefits will turn out negatively if the members could not achieve their goal, and their failure will make them compare themselves with others, and it will make them feel less confident to move forward again. This behavior helps Putri in increasing individual and group creativity or innovation. This behavior shows when the team leader gives support and providing free coaching to her team. This initiative helps them to improve themselves. By doing this, the member will make less effort to improve themselves. As a recommendation for Putri, she can set up a sharing session in which each members have to share their thoughts or any idea to boost up their marketing strategy.
For the conclusion, we can assume that Putri Anis Fazira is the Mary Kay team leader, is an excellent leader. We can see from this that Putri's conduct is related to self-determination theory, expectancy theory, house path goal theory, leader member exchange, LMS model of leadership, and transformational leadership model. All of this idea is directly related to Putri's perception of leadership, which is about people-oriented. We can also observe that Putri is concerned with the team members, including how to improve their life and how to get the team to a level where they may achieve in their life. We can also observe that Putri constantly gives her all as a leader, never giving up on motivating, mentoring, and staying in contact with team members.
That's all from us. Thank you.